Hey guys, in this video, we have listed the top 5 best riser cable on our personal opinion. After performing our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other related issues, we have chosen the products. There is no product on the list that is chosen by any influence or particular request. So let's get started with the list. List number 1. Phanteks PHV-GPU-KT_02 Universal Vertical GPU Bracket with 220mm Flatline PCIe X16 Riser Cable Kit. PHV-GPU-KT02, a universal vertical GPU bracket from Phanteks. The kit includes the vertical GPU bracket and a 220mm flatline PCIe X16 riser cable. Showcase your graphic card by mounting it vertically with the PHV-GPU-KT02. First, the metal is very flimsy. You can practically bend it up with your hands with very little effort. You can install your GPU, let it go to grab the screws and screwdriver and it just couldn't support it. The tip of my GPU actually came down and touched the fan below and bent the bottom part of the GPU bracket. Main feature. 1. Compatible with chassis with open PCI slot design. Modding might be required. 2. Vertically display a VGA graphics card. 3. Easy installation, placing tray over all 7 PCI slot spaces. 4. Brand Phanteks. 5. Graphics coprocessor AMD Radeon R7 240. List number 2. Linkup Ultra PCIe 4.0 x16 riser cable. PCIe specifications do not regulate the use of a riser cable. As a result, Gen 4 motherboards are designed to connect the GPU directly. Hence leave a limited headroom for the use of a riser cable, and the use of a riser cable may fail when the insertion loss is over the limits due to poor components used in motherboards. Not all motherboards and GPUs are manufactured to the same quality, some have higher headroom than the other. Update to the newest firmware, BIOS, software for the motherboard and GPU. The newest update can be obtained from the manufacturer's website. Main feature. 1. Exchange another riser cable to try. 2. Exchange another motherboard of the same brand. 3. Screws are not recommended for the riser cable. 4. Newly revised PCIe 4.0. No BSOD, or WUE, WHEA error-free. 5. Exchange motherboard for a different brand. List number 3. Asus ROG Strix riser cable. Show off your graphics card vertically with the ROG Strix riser cable featuring a 240mm slim, flat and foldable design for better cable management combining elegance with functionality. The design is compatible with PCIe 3.0 standard, and features a high-frequency and low-resistance PCB design to reduce interference. Asus is a Taiwan-based, multinational computer hardware and consumer electronics company that was established in 1989. Dedicated to creating products for today's and tomorrow's smart life. Asus became widely known in North America when it revolutionized the PC industry in 2007 with its EEE-PC. Main feature. 1. Asus ROG Strix riser cable. 2. Strength and connecting protection. 3. High graphics card performance. 4. ME shielding. 5. Bendable, flexibility and efficiency. List number 4. Thermaltake TT Gaming PCIe X16 3.0 Black Extender Riser Cable. Extend the reach for GPU performance for SLI Crossfire configurations with the Thermaltake TT Gaming Riser PCIe X16 3.0 riser cable. This updated design adds more compatibility, performance and high quality you expect from Thermaltake. Supporting a wide range of GPU solutions, take your performance and GPU placement to a new level of customization, especially with select Thermaltake cases offering vertical GPU mounting. Main feature. 1. Compatible with most GPU, motherboard components. 2. Redesigned for improved compatibility. 3. PCIe X16 3.0 compatible with 200mm cable length. 4. ME shielded design reduces interference. 5. 1-year warranty. List number 5. Lesso new 16X riser cable. Lesso new 16x riser cable 64 GB per second GPU riser extender, PCIe 3.0 flexible cable card extension port adapter high-speed riser card, 100 mm, can be used to mount a PCI Express X16 card in a wide variety of situations. It is especially suitable for custom enclosures and low-profile rack mount chassis. This riser card faces away from the mainboard. However, since it is flexible, it can be redirected. Please ensure that PCI cards are securely mounted in an ME-safe location, and that no shorts have occurred due to poor PCI card placement. The PCIe slot adopts the first-line brand, which improves the clamping of the graphics card. The stability of the force and the product prevents the blue screen of the graphics card. Main feature. 1. 100 mm cable length, flexible, compatible with all standard graphics card of PCIe 16x interface. 2. High-quality solder points and gold-plated contacts for the best conductivity and long use. 3. Latest PCIe 3.0 16x riser cable, with up to 8 G per bit per second stable transmission in high speed. 4. 4-layer PCB board with high-frequency impedance and ME design for best connectivity and long life. 5. This extreme PCIe cable does the job without sacrifice the performance. Thanks for watching this video.